All right, welcome back now. So we're talking about entering numbers and text alignment. So back to our little guy here. Now you can see that this is already overlapping to column B. So I highlight everything and I just double click. So why is I was wondering, I didn't delete those guys. I was wondering that why is it. So you can see that Excel can't lie to you. You might forget, but Excel will not forget. Okay, let me drag it manually now. All right, so I want to have their countries, the country of these footballers. Country, Lionel Messi, I think he's from Argentina. Cristiano Ronaldo, that should be Portugal. David Beckham should be England. Yes, England. Zinedine Zidane used to be from France, or he's from France. Kanu Nwankwo is from Nigeria. Okocha is also from Nigeria. You can see autocomplete. Samuel Eto'o is from Ivory Coast. And then Didier Drogba. Didier Drogba is also, I don't know, I hope I get that right, but I think Didier Drogba is also from the same country. Yes. Hopefully. Samuel Eto'o is from Cameroon. Yeah. Samuel Eto'o is from Cameroon. Like I said, I'm not a football person. So Filippo Inzaghi is from France. Enter. And Roberto Carlos is from Brazil. Right now, so I tap enter. So now back to what we're talking about. We're talking about text alignment. Now, what I have here, Excel differentiate between text and numeric values, applying different default alignment to help you visually distinguish between type data. So basically, as you probably have noticed here, text are always, let me give more space so that you would see it clearly. Text are usually aligned to the left, while numbers are aligned to the right. So for instance, if I probably want to have their jersey number, I'm sure I don't know their jersey number, but I'll just put a fake jersey number. So let's adjust this first of all. Messi, I think let's assume it was 10. Ronaldo, I guess was 7. Beckham, I don't know, 7. Zinedine Zidane was, I think, 5. Kanu Nwankwo used to be 4. Okocha used to be 10. Samuel Eto'o, I don't have an idea. Let's just give it a random number. Drogba also, let's assume it was 7. Filippo Inzaghi, that was 9, I remember. Roberto Carlos used to be 6. I remember that very well as well. So you can see now that the text are aligned to the left, while numbers by default are aligned to the right. But then you can actually manipulate it. You can change it anyhow you want, right? So back to my slide. All right, text alignments. Text entries are automatically aligned to the left edge of the cells, while numeric values, including dates, are automatically aligned to the right side of cells. So you can override the default alignment using the alignment buttons in the Home tab. So let's just go to the Home tab, and now this is the alignment section. Now this can you see center alignment, left alignment, and right alignment. These are basically what you need. I've never really had to use this one anyway, but these are the 3. So for instance, now I could say I want everything here. Let me highlight this guy. Okay, just this header. I want this header to be aligned to the center. You can see it is aligned to the center. I can align it to the right. I can return it back to the left. Now, peradventure, I want to align the whole column. I could either select it or select the entire column I want here. So once I select the entire column, I could shift them to the right, and of which by default it's numbers that are always on the right, but I can alter it, and I can put it, what you usually find is always aligned to the center. So I can also do that for this and this as well. I could say, okay, let me just align the entire column and align to the center. Align to the center. And also this one, I could do this and align to the center if I want. So text alignment, you can align to the center. You can decide to leave it the way it is by default. So let's have something more interesting here. So let's just have their date of birth rather, instead of date of birth, instead of jersey number. So let's assume that this guy was born on July 2010, 2020, 2020, 2000. Let me see. All right, you can see that it's looking, different, but it's formatted as a date, but you can see the original content here. That is, Excel identifies this as a date, a date data type. So let's change this now to 1 to 1989. Oh, sorry, let me write it properly. February 2nd, 1989, rather. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. I need them to be all right, better now. So I could also say 2nd of August 1990. All right, it's the way I'm writing it. Like, I think the comma I'm adding here should be August 2, rather. August 2, 1990. All right, now. So the next one, let's assume that this guy is born on March 3, 1987. Maybe this one was born on July